Good morning, students. Today I'm going to start a new chapter, that is images in document. Four chapters I have finished, and no one has asked any questions. So, what the things we will learn today in this video? In this video, we will learn the first topic, different font work options. Second, how to use gallery. The third, how to work with pictures. About font color, font size, I had discussed in previous video. So now I'm going to start the first one, that is font work options. So what is a font work options? This option provide a different font style to insert your word, to decorate your word in fully stylish or in full style. Different styles option will be there. So let's go. We will do through the practical. So how you can get this option, from where you can get this option. So the first thing, you have to click on the view menu, click in view menu, go to the toolbar. After moving your cursor on toolbar, move your cursor in font work. Look, this font work. After clicking on this, one menu bar will be open, this one, and this menu bar is called font work. So now you want to insert font like Tata DB Public School. I want this way, Tata DB Public School in semicircle. So click in font this. The style, different styles are here. Font styles are, choose the style which you want. So suppose I want this style. So click here and press OK. Now font work, this is appear here. Now you can think that, sir, you told that Tata DB Public School will be in such a way. So how we can write the text Tata DB Public School? It is font work. So simply double click on this, then cursor will be available here, right there, Tata DB Public School, and clicks in somewhere. Now look, this Tata DB Public School in this semicircle. Select this one. You can move here where you want. You can increase decrease size, like हम बता चुके हैं कि कान पकड़ के खींचो, छोटा करने के लिए, बड़ा करने के लिए, whatever things you want to do, you can easily arrange this thing. Now, so how you can do this? This is, I have selected this font work style. From where I have selected, from view menu, then toolbar, then font work. Okay, so I think this is clear to everyone. Now how we can add it here, because I don't want this color, I want in different color, different size. So when you click on this font work, so properties menu will be open, this one. So like property menus are here. You want this Tata Public School in Times New Roman, no, by default Times New Roman. You want to change the font face, this is called the font face. I have discussed this style you want, it's okay. Font size, you want to decrease this one, you can decrease. Bold you can do, yes, bold. Underline you can, sorry, italic, underline you can. So all these things you can do. अलाइनमेंट, दिस वन पैराग्राफ अलाइनमेंट, तो आप इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. आप एक बार फिर से जाएंगे यहाँ पर ना, तो इसमें क्या क्या ऑप्शन है उसको हम बता देते हैं आपको. फॉन्ट वर्क में जाने के बाद देखिए यहाँ फॉन्ट वर्क, अभी इसको हम सेलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. तो दिस वन आई हैव सेलेक्टेड. नाउ दिस वन फॉन्ट वर्क शेप, different shapes are here. When you click here, different shapes are here. When you click this one, so same in this shape it will be appear. This one increasing and decreasing font size, see here, this is alignment option. So all these options you will get here. Okay, alignment options, so you know the center, right, left alignment, so you can choose from here. Okay, line spacing options are here, choose here line spacing. So I have inserted only one, so height, width, normal, loose, you can choose this one. Now I'm going to use some features like width is this one, I want the thicker one, so you can choose one, this thicker one. I want to change the line color I don't want, I want this line color, you can choose. Fill color, I don't want this fill color, I want fill color, this one. So such a way you can change. Transparency you want, so style, so I have selected this, this you can choose. Transparency you want, so you can increase decrease. Transparency means समझ में आ रहा है. कर सकते हैं. एरो यू वांट टू यूज, सो एरो यू कैन यूज दिस. Corner style you can rounded, you can choose flat, cap style flat you can, and such a way you can make the modification in this. So this all about the uh, font work. So I hope this font work is clear to everyone. So after watching this video, you once implement this thing, and then I will now students, font work is clear to everyone. So the next topic, that is second topic, I have already discussed. The second topic is what, how to use gallery. So I'm going to delete this one because I have explained this. So how we can use the gallery, how we can insert the picture. So in your book, when you see in your book page number 87, so here one option is there to insert a picture in a document. So how we can insert a picture in a document. So what we have to do, insert picture means picture is available in your computer. So how we can insert, go to the insert option and go to the picture option here, from file and from a scan. From a scan means a scanner, if you have installed the scanner, so you can scan the pictures immediately and insert that one. But right now I'm not going to use the scanner. So from file, when you click to you can browse the pictures from your computer. So I have not any pictures in my computer in this folder gallery. So how we can see the pictures, so better I'm going to choose some pictures from download. It is available or not. Yes, in download many pictures are here. So suppose I want to choose this picture, so select this one and click open. So look, this picture will be appeared here, and I think well-known faces are here. You can identify J.K. Pandey sir and different students are here. So you can identify this one. So such a way we can insert the picture. So what I did actually here, go to insert, then pictures from file. So you can insert. Now after inserting this picture, you can decrease, you can adjust the picture by कान पकड़ कर, जो हम बताते हैं कान पकड़ खींचना. You can adjust, you can move this picture anywhere. You can depends on you. So all the options are in your hand. So what the things you want, how you can do, where you want to adjust, you can. And the same options, brightness, this one. So this one is the default one. So I think I will suggest you to don't do anything here. Wrap option means what, right now wrapping means what, whatever text you will write here, no, such a way you we cannot write anything here, because what option I have selected, no, wrap options. So मीन्स पिक्चर्स के ऊपर और पिक्चर्स के नीचे लिख सकते हैं, मीन्स बीच में नहीं लिख सकते हैं. सो यदि हम यहाँ लिखना भी चाहेंगे तो नहीं लिख सकते. देखिए उस लाइन के बाद यहाँ आ रहे हैं, लेकिन आप चाहते हैं कि नहीं सर पिक्चर का लेफ्ट साइड कुछ होना चाहिए, ऊपर भी होना चाहिए, तो आप पिक्चर को सिलेक्ट करेंगे यहाँ पर, तो आप रैप ऑप्शन ऐसा यूज कर सकते हैं. तो आप ऐसा करेंगे तो देखिए यहाँ ऐसा आ रहा है. आप यदि चाहते हैं राइट साइड से लिखना होना चाहिए सर, तो राइट साइड से लिख सकते हैं. तो पिक्चर को आपको एडजस्ट इधर करना पड़ेगा, तो ये राइट साइड एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. आप चाहते हैं कि सर दोनों साइड से हो जाए, दोनों साइड से हो जाए, तो एज़ पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट कैसा आप पिक्चर के साथ करना चाहते हो. तो आप देखते होंगे वेबसाइट में, मैगजीन में इस तरह से होता है, पिक्चर्स होते हैं, उसके नीचे लिखा होता है. तो ऑप्शंस आपके हाथ में, आप चूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो सच भी यू कैन insert the pictures from the gallery, you can change the modification, you can adjust the picture, you can place the picture where you want to move. So I hope this is clear to everyone. So yes, I have discussed how you can format the pictures. The next thing, the second option, how you can format the picture. Select the picture which you have already inserted, go to the format menu and then go to the picture options, and from there different options you will get. Type width, you don't want to adjust from dragging and drop, you can adjust here. So you can change and decrease whatever the things. Increase, you can increase. Original size, if you want to take the original size, you can take. Options, different options are here. Pictures of this one, the name of this graphics, you can write your name. Suppose your name is ABC, you can use this one. Graphic features I have discussed from there. Hyperlink features later on I will discuss. Pictures, vertical, horizontal, you can choose from here. Crop options, if you want to crop means, you know, crop means just काटना. तो crop कहाँ से काटना चाहते हैं, कि लेफ्ट से कितना काटना चाहते हैं, लेफ्ट से सपोज हम इतना काटना चाहते हैं, देखिए कट रहा है. राइट टॉप से हम जो है टॉप से इतना काटना चाहते हैं, देख रहे हैं कट रहा है, तो सच वे कैन कट द पिक्चर्स।